All right, got that oak. Getting nice and hot. Waiting for it to just glow red. Wait for the flames to die down. I'm gonna try to cook this, what is it, yellow fin tuna? 2 packs of it. Shannon Cooper's grandpa caught this out in the middle of the ocean. Pays a lot of money to go out there fishing, deep sea fishing. Oh, those are some fat pieces. Oh, no. Look at how big. Oh no, it's not thawed out all the way. Well, it's gonna have to thaw it on the grill. For me, just salt and pepper is good enough. Salt and pepper over some oak. Call it good. Here goes the first piece. The reason I said I'm gonna attempt to cook on here is because fish meat falls apart so easy. You know, you can just pull it apart. And so when it's kind of stuck to that, I'm gonna have to get the spatula and just really get it in there so it doesn't fall apart and fall into the coals. Hopefully it's hot enough. I don't know if I put enough. I didn't know that it was this much fish. Some pepper. Go ahead. Got Cooper with the lemon. Oh yeah, get it just right. Nice. Oh fuck. Trying to lose as little fish as possible. Sticking to the grill. Oh shit. Those are some thick pieces too. It'll take a while to cook. We're losing heat. I didn't put enough wood. I'm new, I don't know what to do. Let's get this piece right here. Oh, look at that. It's cooked all the way through. Nice. Oh yeah. That's yummy. You want a piece? Oh, you got the good part. Look at how good, big old crispy piece. Oh, yummy. Show me the inside of that thing. White meat. It's good? Better than cooking inside on the pan? Way too messy inside, huh, too. Oh, here's better. We got the hose to wash up. All right, so it wasn't hot enough. Cooper got some bark for me. Bark will light fast. And look at how hot them coals are. This stuff's way too thick, so it's taking too long. So I pulled it back so I wouldn't burn it on the flame. Can't cook with no flame. Can only cook with the hot coals. So fuck propane, huh? What's that?
Tastes like the crispy bark, like on the steaks.
Yeah, like that oak taste. Yeah, that oak is good, dude. We could even cook with eucalyptus if we ran out of oak. It'd still be good. No, I'm gonna scoot it up. Get this finished. Pull that. Give Grizzly a piece. Here, little guard dog. You want a piece? Oh, it's a big piece. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here comes the little beggar. You want a piece? Sure, give it to Grizzly. Here you go, Peppers. You want that piece? Grizzly, you want a piece? Grizzly's like, I don't like fish. Oh, he does. You better, you're a dog, huh? Tell him, Bandit. Tell him you're a dog, you're supposed to like fish. Hey, what the hell, bro? Jumping up trying to bite me and shit. Oh, I got a beef jerky one here. I think that one's fine. You want to get the next 3?
Yeah.
Just take that one off. While I wait. Probably way too brown underneath anyway. Flip it out and see how brown it is. Oh, no, but it's done. Lay it on here. Oh yeah.
This one?
Flip it, let's see how... It's probably done, but I want to see how dark it got on the bottom. Do we mess it up? No, throw it on there. It's good. I think that's the last one. On it. Oh yeah, dude, that's a lot of fish. We're gonna see his papa tomorrow. He might have some more fish to give you, huh? He just has to remember to ask.
This one
Put it
too?
on. Yeah, I think Cooper likes fish more than Shane. It didn't taste that fishy, huh? But it still tastes good with lemon. That one's done, yeah. Dude, that's like freaking 10 pounds.
This one too?
I don't know. No, let's wait a sec for that one. All right, here we go. Yeah, that looks good. Wow. We did all right. We did all right. We didn't fuck it up, and the fish is actually juicy. Locked in some flavor.